Next topic we're going to learn is jump statements. Now here we're going to deep dive into break, continue, and this go to statements. So we're going to jump to the VS Code and we're going to see what are these things all are about. So basically jump statements we use to transfer program control from one point to another point in the program. So first thing is going to be break statement. So break statement, what is the work of break statement? Break statement basically terminates the execution of a loop or switch statement. So transfer program control to the next statement which is placed immediately after the loop or switch. So this is the basic flow chart of the break statement. You can see it here. Now similarly, continue statement is going to be there, and there we're going to learn about what does continue statement basically does. So it skips the current iteration of the loop and passes the program control to the next iteration of the loop. So unlike break statement, it never terminates the loop execution. If you see the code flow of it, the flow chart of it, so you see here it's basically whatever the condition will be writing for that continue, that will just get skipped. So it will get skipped and it will continue that loop, continue in the loop. But in break, that will not be continued in a loop. All right. Now next thing is going to be the go to statement. So go to statement transfer program control to a label statement that exists in the scope of the go to statement, and it is to used to get out from a loop or nested loop to an outer loop. So makes the program logic complex and difficult to understand. So we're going to see each thing one by one in a VS Code. That time you'll understand better what does this break, continue, and go to statements all this means. All right, so let's jump to the VS Code and let's do some coding so you'll understand better.